Hello, my name is Lars Helgeson. I am the CEO and founder of Green Rope, and I'm also the author of CRM for Dummies, a book that I published. And after I sent this out, it was distributed all over the world, and I got a lot of feedback from people who read it who said that they appreciated the content, but they kind of wanted to see it in a little bit more of a video form, a little bit easier to digest, kind of a piece at a time. So this video series is going to talk to you about some of the specific topics that I cover in CRM for Dummies and how they really apply to Green Rope and how our platform can help a business get from where you are now to a place where we call Complete CRM is in effect. So what you see here, I drew just a very simple diagram, Complete CRM. Really, the CRM operates as the core of the company. And it can be any kind of company. It doesn't matter really what you do. Every company has customers, and CRM is customer relationship management. So whether you're a nonprofit and you're raising funds, or you're a membership organization and you're trying to get people to be a part of your organization, or you sell a product or a service, it's all, at the core, it's all the same. We want to make sure that we understand what those relationships look like, and we're going to be communicating with our leads and our customers in all different kinds of channels, and that's what you see here. The Complete CRM forms the core, and around the outside we have, of course, contacts and companies, so managing the information associated with them, but looking at how they interact with all these other features, things like sending and receiving emails or sending newsletters, websites or landing pages, looking at events, surveys, all these different things, videos. All of these things comprise what I call Complete CRM. And if your CRM doesn't include all of this information and doesn't pull it all together into one single place, then you don't have Complete CRM, because that data is not synchronizing properly. You're not going to be able to get the insight that you need if this isn't all combined into a single platform. So when we have all this together, we're measuring across all these different channels. We're measuring these things that I wrote in green: conversions, funnels, scoring, and prediction. So conversions are when someone does something of value to us. Maybe it's downloading a white paper, maybe it's actually buying something from us. We're looking at funnels, which are a way for us to track the sales process. And here's little buddy, he's our HR manager, so he came by to help us here with the video. We're going to look at scoring, so lead scoring, understanding who our best leads are and who our best clients are. And then looking at a predictive model, so understanding that here are certain things that will statistically correlate to someone being a customer and tracking that correlation with a conversion. So all of that makes up the Complete CRM, and really what we want to do is use this so that we can do the things in red. So automation, using the software to save time, looking at personalization, making sure that the content that we serve to our customers or to our leads is personalized to them so that they see the stuff that's really relevant. That information that they receive is going to make a big difference. If they feel like they're being spoken to in the language and addressing the needs that they have, then they're going to want to become customers. It also provides us insight, both insight into our customers as well as insight into our own team. We want to create with Complete CRM an environment of accountability, and that's the last bullet there. Accountability where everyone is working on the same team. And if you've ever worked on a team, and most of us have, we know the difference between the team players that are really pulling for the team and the people who aren't. And in a culture of accountability, everyone's contributing to the performance of the overall company, and no one hides behind the layer that says, maybe I'm the only one that can use this software, or I'm the only one who has access to this data, because that ends up creating roadblocks between you and performance and your ability to grow and run more efficiently. So we create CRM as a way to change the culture of an organization. And by doing so, everyone then contributes, and you can see the impact that whatever you're doing has on the rest of the company. And so that's really the core behind the reason why we have Complete CRM, why we developed Green Rope in the first place, was to make it easy for you as a business to create this. Now, easy doesn't mean that there's no work involved. There's always going to be some work, and a lot of this is going to be soul searching and understanding what the mission of your organization truly is. But once you figure that out, being able to translate that into software that helps you do what you want to do. And you don't want to be limited by software. You don't want to have to wait for developers to have to build something. You want to be able to use a single piece of software that encompasses all of these things and allows you to accomplish what you need to accomplish. So that's what I mean by Complete CRM. Thank you for taking the time to learn about it, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the videos in this series.